What's up, fellas? We're here in JPM. We're doing the mini for this Draft Razz. So, guys, I'm just going to go over it real quick. So, obviously, 10 total spots. We're going to random it 3 times, and then the top 2 are going to win spots into the main. Thank you, everybody, for joining and trying to help out. I appreciate it. So, we're going to go live. We are live at 9:26. It's 9:26 here in Denver. I'm going to go and grab this list up here. I hope everybody's having a very happy holidays. Gonna get this fresh list. We got Riley on top, John on the bottom. Riley on top, John on the bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. 1, 2, after 2. That timestamp is in at 9:27. It's 9:27 here. And third and final time, good luck, everybody. John and Jordan. Congrats, guys. Spot 10 and spot 6. Take that final. That final is in at 9:27. It is 9:27. Guys, again, 3 times. We got John and Jordan. Congratulations.